Alright folks, got a 24, 25 signal in.
Look at this, no, you little beauty. Oh, here we go. Ha ha! You little beauty. Oh, no, you little beauty. See, this is an oldie too. Look at this. Oh, what is it?
Well, big hey there folks, and welcome back to the channel. We're at this quaint little park in a little village in the Southern Highlands, just following along the river here. There's a little bit of a park and a walking track, so we're going to give this a bit of a hit this afternoon and just see how we go. We'll see you on the first hole. Right folks, let's see what we're dealing with here. We've got ourselves a nice .22, 23 signal in the plug, and it's very strong. The tone is beautiful. I'll save us the burden. Just cut the plug out. Here. There you go. Can you see that? Look at that. Something's just fallen out. I wonder what this bad boy is. Right. Oh yeah. She's a compenny, folks. Interesting what the date is. $1920 something. Could rather be a 25. That would be a good thing. Can't quite tell what that date is, folks. It's got the 19.2. I think it's 24. I'll get back to you and confirm that. There's George VI's. Well, there he is. There's his noggin right there. Beautiful patina on this coin if you can't quite see it. Right, I'll give it a bit of a nick there too when I come through with the shovel. Must have been on the outside. Look, just was in there like that. Right, I'll get back to you shortly. Okay folks, there it is in its entirety on the reverse. 1924 is just coming through. 1 year off and we would have had probably one of the second hardest Australian penny coins to get a hold of due to mintage. That's the reverse. There's Georgie boy's noggin right there. Alright, get you a couple of pics. Okay folks, give you a listen to this signal. That's a really nice tone. Let's see what we can get out of the plug or the hole. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we've got it in the pudding for a change. That's good. Alright, see if we can find it. Making a noise right about there. Oh, this is really in a good range. Nothing there. It's right there, so it's midway in the plug, so that's not too bad. Could be a 2 cent piece, I'm thinking. Oh, here we go. You see it? Out she comes. There you go. Right on the money. Aussie decimal 2 cent piece. Frilly lizard. Righto, on to the next. Alright folks, I'll give you a listen to this one. That's pretty solid. Right there. Second levity of digging the plug. As you know, it's quite difficult to do this film one-handed. See? I've got 26 coming out of the puddle. Now, I'm a bit of a betting man, which I'm not. It's right there. Right, it's going to be possibly a 1 or 2 cent piece, maybe a 2 cent piece. But you know me, I'm forever hopeful. There's not a dead smack in the hole, which is good, in the pudding. Oh, look at this, no, you little beauty. Ha! That's a reward, I wasn't expecting that. Georgie boy, come on. 1942, 92.5%. And I think it's a Sydney mint. I think that's an S. Right there. There you go. What a little cracker. Oh, I'm absolutely stoked finding that thing. All right, I'll get you some pics and we'll go from there. Okay folks, there you go, 1942. You can just see the S under the banner. All right. There's Georgie boy, George 6. Not in too bad a nick considering it's in the ground. All right, we'll get you some pics. Okay folks, if you look very closely right there, that was my previous hole where I got the sixpence. I've gone around, as I always tell you to do, and do a circle. Because you're looking for coin spills. Now that is a very good signal. Kinda hoping that it might be a shilling, because it's in that vicinity. So we're going into the hole. Bear with me. Alright folks, I'm having a bit of a peer in here and I can't quite see what it is. So we'll get the pinpointer out and we'll see if we can locate it. Right. It's very hot right there. Can I see something? What's that? Oh, looks metal. Oh, here we go. Ha ha! You little beauty. I guessed right for a change. Look at that, cracking its head right out of there. It's a Bahrain U. 1950 shilling. Coin spill. That should be George 6. 50% silver. I'll give that a bit of a clean up and we'll get back to you. Okay folks, this is the close-up. It's an Aussie 1 shilling. Bahrain U, 1950. King George VI. It is 50% silver. Alright, not too bad, Nick, considering it's just fresh out of the ground. I'll get you some pics. Alright folks. beautiful 23 signal. It's in the pudding. Let's have a look. Can you see anything from there? What about if we tilt over a little bit? Hang on, hang on. Right there, look at that. Can you see the edge? Right there. Oh, what the heck that is. What is that? Oh, how do we go with that? That's a George halfpenny medallion, or neck medallion, hole in it. Oh, what a beauty. Just cut it off at the foot of the roo there. Man, what a beauty. Okay. All right, folks, I'm going to try this one. I'm going to try this as a live dig and see what we can come up with. One-handed. Sorry for the spins. I'll be interested to see just as much as you what we get. So it's still in the hole. Let's go to it. See if we can find it. Just there. Now you have a look in there. Can you see anything? This is how hard this gig is. That's why you need a pinpointer to actually help you locate the targets. Yeah, what are we doing? Ooh, that's a little ring. Oh, see that? Maybe silver. Maybe of some description, I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll clean that up and give you a closer look. Alright folks, got a lovely 28 signal. Is in the hole. This could be anything. It's solid. Right there. Yeah. We cannot see anything. Let's see if we can pull it. Oh, that's Slim doing his bit for the environment. Looks like an old sardines tin. Alright. Okay folks, after that nice little medallion-y thing, I thought that's a nice solid tone. We're going to have a crack at nearly everything here because, you know, this park and the ensuing riverbanks during the war and earlier, I'm not sure World War I or World War II, German immigrants were held here in detention. So that'll give you an idea about where I am in the Highlands. So anyway, get back to this hole here. Come on, let's see if we can get something nice out of here. So can you see anything turned over? He's down there. It must be close. What's that? Not yet. Maybe. Maybe there. Heya. Wow. That was down there for a Queen Elizabeth. $2 Goldie. 1988. Bicentenary year. There you go, folks. Nearly almost there for a coffee. Righto. Right, folks. 23, 24. In the plug. Sounds like another one of those sugar gliders to me. Dead set centre of the plug again. I don't know what's going on with me. There she is. Another little copper 1 cent, please. Righto. Alright, folks, got a 24, 25 signal in this hole. Let's get it out. Here we go. Now look, I can see, can you see? We're going in here, just there, look. Look, right there, she's come away from the bottom of the plug. Here we go. What have we got? Yes, it's a 1940 King George 6. Blue penny. Oh, 1949. Beg your pardon. There you go. 1949. Beautiful. Okay, folks, as you can see, beautiful 21 to 24. I don't like the sound of that 24. Could be all 1 centre. Right there. Let's get it. Oh, no, you little beauty. Gee, this is an oldie too. Oh yeah, it's a thrippy. Oh, that was ringing up nice. Who we got? Oh, it's a George 5. All right, folks, I'll clean this up and get you a pic. This is excellent. Okay, folks, you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. And you can tell it's my favourite 6 thrippence, 1921, but no 22 overdate. This isn't a bad little coin. There you go, there's the obverse. King George 5. Get you some pics. Righto, folks. This is the way we like them. 19 to 21, solid, and it's in the pudding. Ooh, come on, I'm hoping for a thrippy. Let's do it. No idea. Solidly in the middle of the plug, I guess. Oh, stabbed him pretty hard. Let's get a little root down. Right.
nailed this one right in the middle. So far. Oh, come on. It's looking more like a $1 or $2 coin now, folks. There she blows. Okay. There you go. That looks like something off one of those old, very old push-bike handbrakes. You reckon? I might be wrong, but if you know, post below. Okay folks, you know it's that time of the day when the shadow folk come out to play, and it's very tall. I've got one great last signal in the pudding. Come on, don't be an Ayrton Senna. Come on. Come on. Come on, what is he gonna be? Oh, here we go. Here we go. I can see something. Yes. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a florin. Woohoo! You little beauty. Oh yeah, 1947. You are kidding. What a way to end the day. 1947. Two Dinas. Look at that. Oh, Georgie, you've never looked any better. Oh, I can't believe it. That'll do me, folks. There you go, folks. A 1947 Australian florin reverse. And there's King George on the obverse. Get you some pics. Folks, just giving you a bit of a gander of lovely walk down there. It's about a quarter of a mile along the river. But this is what you'll find at the end of it. Done my bit for Australia cleanup. There you go. Some better bits of junk. Some 2 centres and some 1 centres. But have a look at this. Yeah. That's the chicken dinner. Look at that big bad boy there, 1947 florin. You don't find too many of those, folks. I'll drum you. Anyway, as I said before, the sun's going down over there, and Slim's got to get out of here. I'll see you on another adventure. Hooroo!